Good morning. Today I am going to teach you all 21 millionaire secrets that could change your life. At the end of this video, click the link below to learn more. What do millionaires do differently with their money, time, and mind? There isn't one secret formula for becoming wealthy, but there are habits and principles that successful people use to build long-term wealth. Here are 21 lessons you can start applying today. Secrets 1 to 7. Number 1, think long-term. Wealth is usually built over years, not overnight. Number 2, focus on creating value. Solve problems that people are willing to pay you to solve.
Number 3, control your spending. Earning more means little if you spend everything. Number 4, invest in yourself. Build valuable skills such as sales, marketing, technology, and communication. Number 5, create additional income streams. Don't depend entirely on one source of.
Number 3, control your spending. Earning number 6, learn to sell. If you can communicate value, you can create more opportunities. Number 7, take calculated risks. Understand the potential reward and the downside before making major decisions.
Secrets 8 to 14. Number 8, avoid unnecessary lifestyle inflation. Number 9, learn how to make your money work for you through appropriate long-term investing.
Number 11, protect your time and focus on activities that matter. Number 12, surround yourself with people and information that encourage growth. Number 13, start before everything is perfect.
Number 14, learn from failure instead of letting it stop you.
Secrets 1521. Number 15, know your numbers. Income, expenses, profit, saving.
Number 18, reinvest in what works. Number 19, don't chase quick riches or guaranteed returns. Number 20, define what wealth means to you.
And number 21, be consistent. Small, sensible actions repeated over many years can make a huge difference. Remember the formula: learn, create value, earn. Save, invest, reinvest, improve. Build your wealth one smart decision at a time. Like, subscribe, and follow for more business, money, and mindset tips.